Okay, we have a question here on integration, which we will use integration by partial fraction. So to solve this one, this will be equivalent to integral of x square minus x plus 6 all over x in bracket x plus 3 close the bracket. So this one is square. This is a quadratic function inside here. So to solve this one now, let's solve it by partial fraction first. So this will be uh, x square minus x plus 6 over x in bracket x square plus 3 close bracket is equivalent to this will be a over x then plus bx plus c all over we have x square plus 3. So by implication, when we take the LCM of this, the LCM would definitely still be x in bracket x square plus 3, which by this multiplied by this, you have a open bracket x square plus 3. Then this time this will give us plus x in bracket bx plus c close the bracket. So this one here, haven't done this, we'll have this to be equal to, when you open this bracket, you have a x square plus 3a plus bx square plus cx all over x bracket x square plus 3. So let me have this to be equal to, now when you look at this, it will be, let me bring this one down. You have x square minus x plus 6 all over x in bracket x square plus 3. This will be equivalent to, when you check this one that half square, it will be a plus b. I'm factor out the x square. Then this one that has it, you have cx, and then you have finally the constant 3 capital letter A all over x in bracket x square plus 3 close the bracket. So looking at the denominator are the same from the both side. So we'll equate the numerators so that we'll have this to be x square minus x plus 6 equals to a plus b in bracket x square plus cx plus 3a. So we'll now solve this one by corresponding. If you check, this is x square here. The coefficient of x here is x square here is 1, while the coefficient of x square here is a plus b. So it by implication a plus b is equals to 1. We tag this equation 1. Then by this one also, the coefficient of x here is minus 1. The coefficient of x here is c. So it means that c is equals to minus 1. Equation, you can tag it as equation 2. So when you check also the constants, that is, we have 3a is equals to 6. By implication, you look at that, you find out that we have what? When we divide both sides by 3 here, it means that a will be equals to 6 divided by 3, and our a is 2. So if our a is 2, by implication we can calculate the value of b from equation 1. So this will be the same as, since a plus b is equals to 1, so then we'll now have here to be 2 plus b is equals to 1. Hence b now is equals to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. By implication, we have a is equals to 2 and our b is equals to minus 1. Then our c is equals to also minus 1. So we will go back to this one. We'll go back to this. That is, since this is what transformed to this, then we can now write that a over x plus bx plus c all over x square plus 3 will now replace the value of abc in order to have the real equation so that we can be able to integrate. Now to do this one, this will be equal to integral of open bracket, here it's 2 over x, then plus we have b is minus 1, so this will be minus 1. Then we have what? Minus 1 in bracket x plus, and then c also is minus 1 all over x square plus 3, close the bracket, dx. So with this we can be able to integrate this equation now. Now to integrate this, finally, this is equals to, here will be integral of 2 1 all over x dx. Then this one, when you check this here, is the same thing as when you factor out this minus. So here will be minus when we factor out the minus, because this will be minus x minus. So when we factor out the minus, we'll have this one to be x plus 1 all over, that is integral of x square plus 3. Then we have what? Dx. So to be able to divide this, there are certain things we need to do here. And to do this one, let us split this, which will give us the same as, let me take this one alone. Let me take this one alone. That is, this will be equals to 2 integral of 1 over x dx. We can just do this one straightforward, but because of the complexity of this, this will now give us minus integral of x over x square plus 3 dx, then plus integral of 1 all over x square plus 3, then dx. The one that hinders us from doing anything is this, the middle one. So this middle one, we need to work on it first before we can finalize on our answer. So to do this, let me take only the middle one. The middle one is that we have integral of x over x square plus 3. We would solve this one by substitution. Then we say let u be equals to x square plus 3. That is, du over dx is equals to 2x. So since the u over dx is equals to 2x, let's make the x the subject of formula here. When we make the x the subject of formula here, we will have this to be, we'll cross multiply first, so that we have du is equals to 2x dx. So by the time that you divide both sides by 2x, you have the x to be equals to du all over 2x. So since dx is equals to du over 2x, we will substitute it here. And then we know that we have to let this one to be u. So by implication, let me transform it to another. Okay, recall, this is the main function, the middle one. So we let u to be this. So this can now be integral. It will be integral of x over, remember this is integration by substitution, so this will be integration of u times dx is the same thing as du over 2x. The essence of this, so that x will cancel this, so that this question will be left in one variable, so that this will give us the same as integral of 1 over u du. So I will now bring back this now, looking at the middle one, this one here. So we can now bring it back. If you recall, the main function is x square, integral of x square minus x plus 6 all over x bracket x square plus 3 in bracket, this is equals to integral of, this is 2, and then we have 1 all over x dx. Then we have minus open bracket. We have resolved this one here, which we can now replace it to be integral of 1 all over u du. Then plus the last one is integral of 1 all over x square plus 3, and then we have the x, then we close this bracket. Now, having gotten this one, we are drawing closer to finding the solution of this problem. So this will be equals to, recall that log, if you have integral of log x is the same thing as 1 all over x. So it means that when you take the integral of this, the length of this one, if you are to integrate this one, it will be 2 ln x. We put it like in the form of absolute value minus the same thing here. This will give us ln u, and then minus times plus is minus. This one also be ln this will be ln x square plus 3, all this plus c, since this is an indefinite integral. So by implication, we can write this one to be 2 ln x, then minus, remember u is 3x, x square plus 3. So this will give us ln x square plus 3. Then finally we have minus, this will also be minus ln x square plus 3 plus c. When you check this one, they have something in common, and since they have something in common, then before then you know that I missed something from here, because there was 2 here, there was 2 left there, so here supposed to be 1 over 2. So here supposed to be 1 over 2. So definitely we have here to be what? 1 over 2. So we have this half minus half plus this, right? So this will give us the same thing as 2 ln x minus 3 all over 2 ln x square plus 3. Then we have this to be plus c. We can either leave this one like this, or sorry, there is ln here, there's ln. So this will be the solution for this problem. Isn't this fun? If you have any comment, have any question, please kindly make it in the comment section. We discuss further. Thank you so much for watching Kambai Mathics and learning.